One of the biggest challenges in the engineering industry is the actual speed of change to be able to meet the customer's demands of today and tomorrow. Fast decision making and up-to-date information are vital to sustain in our business and enabling a seamless flow of critical operations.
Hi, I'm Sulochana, CEO of Everbolt Engineering. Everbolt was established in 2015 and now we have offices in Maldives and Sri Lanka. We provide a complete range of products and services from electrical panels, electrical hardware, machine manufacturing, the equipping of process plants and machine servicing. We ensure product quality, affordability, excellent customer service and on-time delivery.
I'm Dilrukshi from Finance. Being an engineering business, we had countless databases that were not able to work together. So we went to the market with a very clear set of goals for a solution that delivered value for money and could handle the manufacturing, purchasing, inventory, CRM, sales, accounting, HR management and payroll aspects of the business. There weren't many systems out there that could handle this type of out-of-the-box requirement. We partnered with Centrix, who introduced us to Odoo Enterprise and put a team together who supported us through the whole journey. I felt that this team really got it on board. The people that we interacted with at Centrix really understood what we were trying to do, not just in the project itself, but also as a business. They helped to optimize our operations and enabled standardized data connectivity across several business touchpoints.
I'm Navoda from Marketing. With Centrix being our partner, we have been able to react to industry trends in real time, be more agile with our operations, and better serve our end customers. To achieve this, for us, it's all about having data we can trust, data that is true whether it's good or bad, and data we can rely on to be accurate and up to date. All of this has made corporate planning easier. It has allowed us to make better decisions and identify which KPIs are generating a positive impact and which are not performing as expected.
Hi, I'm Hashan, Business Development Manager here at Everbolt. On a day-to-day basis, we use the Odoo system to ensure we provide the best possible services to both our customers and suppliers. The Odoo system allows us to make sure that daily operational processes are fulfilled, from automated quotation and invoice issuing, product management, order tracking, inventory management, sales operations, manufacturing processes, and payment handling. In the past, we have had to generate approximately 100 to 500 quotations in a day. This was a manual process that would take hours to complete. With Odoo, this job is now automated and takes up to 2 minutes. It doesn't end there. We have gone a step further to automatically translate approved quotations into sales orders, then sales orders into invoices, and so on, with just a click of a button. This is just one example for us in establishing that solid foundation that has allowed us to save hours in administration by applying a systemized approach to our processes.
Centrix has helped change the way in which we operate fundamentally. I believe that the efficiencies we've seen have taken place from the customer's perspective, our suppliers, and in our internal processes, empowering our employees to accomplish more in less time and change from a reactive to a proactive role. What really impressed me was Centrix's clean-cut methodologies and after-sales support that helped us to continuously improve and build our resilience in the local market.